Hi, welcome to the new chapter, Relational Databases. So in the relational databases, we are going to see importance of the relational database. We are going to see fundamentals of the relational databases, ER diagrams, normalization techniques, working with the MySQL. What is SQL? What's the role of SQL? What are the different queries? These things we will see in the relational databases. In the fundamentals, we'll talk about fundamentals of relational database and the data modeling, how you will do the data modeling exactly. That we will see in the fundamentals. ER diagrams are the entity relationship diagrams. When you should go for the ER diagrams, what to do with the ER diagrams, components of the ER diagrams, relationships inside ER diagrams. So all that things we will cover under the ER diagrams topic. Then we will see normalization. What are different techniques of the normalization? What is the normalization at the first place? And what are the different normal forms? How do you apply it to your table structure or the database schema? That we will see under the normalization. Then we'll proceed to the MySQL. First we will install the MySQL. We will see different types of installations for the MySQL. Then we'll talk about prompt, how you will open the prompt and how you will execute the queries. Some specifics to the MySQL we will see under the MySQL. Then we'll go for the SQL. We will see what are the data types of the SQL. What are the basic queries, DDLs, DMLs, DQLs, ACLs. So all that things we will cover in the SQL topic. And at the end, we will complete this chapter with one case study. We will see that. So this is how we will learn the relational databases. Thank you.